Welcome back. At this point, you should have completed or nearly completed your Google Apps 101 course, meaning that you should have your document in front of you with your name in the upper left-hand corner, and you've completed steps 2, 3, and 4. These boxes are full of good information. At this point, the final step in the course is to learn how to use the sharing settings in Google. Now, there's a couple different ways you're going to turn in assignments in this class, and you'll turn this one in again in a later course. But I want to familiarize you with these sharing settings. So go ahead and click here on the blue box. Now, when you open a new document and you click that button, it defaults to private only to me. So it would show a little padlock here showing that you haven't shared it with anyone. It's just private to you. And you open this box, it will have an option here. Usually it goes to anyone at KPBSD can view the document. Well, there's lots of extra options, so go ahead and click that down menu or drop down menu and click more. So throughout the year, you may want to change these settings to different things. Maybe you want to make it public on the web. I usually use anyone with the link. That way, anyone, no matter where they are logged in, can access the document easily. You can restrict it to only people who are here at the school district, or you can turn it off completely and share it only with specific people, maybe just with me or just with a group member. So those are options we're going to look at later. What I want you to do now is share it with a specific person, and that specific person is going to be me. In order to do that, you're going to type my name down here in this box. This is the same way you would share it with group members as well. When you type my name, usually when you start to enter Jennifer Booz or just enter Booz, my name comes up. Make sure it is my school Gmail, so jennifer.booz@g.kpbsd.org. And you click there, and there I am. Now, this box over here gives you some options on what you want me to be able to do with your document. It does default to edit, which is with the little pencil. You can also restrict me just to be able to comment, or completely restrict me so that I can just look at the document. What I want you to do for this assignment is to click Can Comment, because I'm going to add a little feedback to the sides of your document. Once you're finished with that, you're going to click Send. That will send me an email saying that you have shared the document with me. Now, at this point, go ahead and complete those steps, and you have completed Google Apps 101.